Hey guys, we're back for another giveaway. I'm super excited because I have so many giveaways. I in fact have so many giveaways and started posting them so late that when I say HoliYAY giveaway, this is really just gonna be a holiday season giveaway. Like I can't stop at Christmas because there are too many giveaways. So I will keep doing HoliYAY giveaways until they're finished. Today's giveaway item is something I'm super excited about, and it is the Desi Katie Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors. It was limited edition, which I'm really excited about because I love giving away limited edition items because I know not everybody is like able to get their hands on them. But this is what the palette inside looks like, guys. It's so beautiful. You have amazing mattes, you have amazing metallic shimmery shades, and they're just so potent. I personally like applying the metallic shades with either a damp concealer brush or ideally my finger because I feel like they're the most potent that way. I'm super excited to be giving two of you guys your very own palettes. So to enter the giveaway, if you've been around for a minute, you already know how this goes. If you need a refresher or if you don't know, all of the information for the giveaway will be down in the info box down below and how to enter, but this is pretty much what you have to do. You have to subscribe to me here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and at the end of each video, I will ask a question. Each video has its own question, and you have to leave your personal response in the comments down below along with your Instagram handle or your email if you don't have an Instagram, just so I have a way of contacting you if you are a winner. So unfortunately, this giveaway is not international. None of my HoliYAY giveaways this season are. I'm so sorry. I'm working on it and hopefully I will get some up soon. But for all my lovely US viewers, today's question is, what is your proudest accomplishment? This is like a heavy question, but I really love going through and reading like every single comment, and I love getting to know you guys better. So I wanted to ask, like, some of the questions are like silly la-di-da questions, but then I wanted to ask a couple more serious questions. My personal answer for my proudest accomplishment is two things. One of them is definitely YouTube, because I feel like there's a sense of pressure when you are doing YouTube that, like, you know, you need to do more, you need to post more, you need to video more content, new content, and it's super overwhelming. And I don't really actually notice it until other people point it out to me that I'm really proud of the fact that I am doing this, period. The fact that I had no idea what I was doing when I first started, and the fact that I did all the research, got the camera sorted, and my quality and my editing, and now my lighting, that wasn't a thing, and it was a huge issue for me. My backdrops and just the whole shebang, and the fact that I've done it all myself with pretty much little to no assistance is something that I am proud of. Like, it's my little baby. Do I want an editor? Absolutely. Hit me up if you know one or if you are one, because now I'm at the point where I feel like I could get way more content out now if I have an editor. But I definitely am really proud of putting myself out there and talking to a camera. And at the same time, it's so mind-blowing, and I'm literally honored to have you guys watching my videos, subscribing to me. It's still crazy to me that people take time out of their day, and I say this over and over again, to just sit and watch me talk. I will never get used to it, and I will forever be thankful to you guys. And I think another achievement that I'm really proud of is learning to realize what my strengths are and what I'm good at. I am such a Debbie Downer when it comes to myself, super hypercritical, super negative, for a whole host of reasons, which that's a totally separate video. I am only recently finding confidence in myself, in my strengths, and finding strength in myself, period. And it's interesting, and it's a whole different feeling, but it's really like invigorating. And I can't lie, a lot of it has to do with my craft, my work, because that's where I thrive. That's what I'm passionate about. That's what I work for. Yeah, so those are my 2 proudest achievements. That was such a long-winded. This is gonna be the longest giveaway video ever. But leave your comments down below. I really would love to know what your proudest achievement till date is, and I cannot wait to read your guys' answers. So that's a wrap on today's giveaway, and until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you soon. Bye!